Hey, John Crestani here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a way you can make money online without having any marketing skills, any technical skills, any money. And you can do this no matter what country you're from, even if you're from Sri Lanka or some weird place like that. And you can do this no matter what age you are, whether you're 3 years old or whether you're 103 years old. And without any money, you can make real money doing this if you just follow the 3 steps which I'm going to show you in this video. Now, the site we'll be using is called Last.fm. It has millions of users, and the steps will be 3 simple steps. We'll be getting our affiliate link from an affiliate network. These networks, whenever you get your link out to people who are interested in the product, you will get paid. You'll get paid either through a check that's sent via the mail. You'll get paid via a bank wire, if that's what you choose, that's sent to your bank address, or you'll get paid, have the money deposited to your PayPal account. Whatever way you want the money, you can get the money of those 3 methods. Now, the steps are simple, and I'll be walking you through everything right here on my computer. Let's get it. Page right here, and it will show all of the current free traffic methods that I've done videos on right over here. But what we're interested in is making money on Last.fm right there. So you'll want to click that link, and that link will bring you down to the Last.fm area right here. Now, Last.fm has over 30 million users. It's a music-focused community, and what we'll be doing is sending people messages. Now, the way we will make money is you will either get a check, you will either get the money sent to your bank account, or you will get money via PayPal, and I'll show you exactly how that works in a second here. So first off, we have to register for Digistore, and you'll want to scroll down and fill out all of your information and they'll need a lot of it because once again, they are going to be paying you money. So there's like legal terms and conditions and stuff that you have to check to get that. Then you just click register for free down at the end. Again, this doesn't cost you any money. In fact, they will pay you money if you apply these steps that I'm about to show you. Now, once you're in Digistore, you will be able to see how much money you've earned over here. You will be able to see how many people clicked on your links over here, and you'll be able to see how much money each click on one of your links is worth right over here. Now, the reason I get such high earnings per click is because I use the method that I'm about to show you. So the first step is you go over here to Marketplace, right there. And then you're going to type in my last name, Crestani, and search. And here you will get the link to my product. Now, on average, you won't make $2,000. On average, you will make $500. So not quite $2,000, but still a lot of money. And we need to copy this link right here by clicking in the search place and click copy. Right there, we got that link. The next step is we'll want to save our link somewhere. I just save it in a handy dandy notepad right here. So there's our link. Now we want to copy this Google document. So we're back in the steps for Last.fm in our resource file, and we will do step number 4, which is copying the Google document. Now, in order to copy this document, you will click up here on the file icon, okay? Right here. And you will click make a copy, which is, it looks like, it should be a couple selections down, and you'll make a copy right there. Now, once you make a copy of this document, you will be able to scroll down a little bit and you'll click on this link right here. Then you will click on the edit icon right there to edit the link to be your own. So it should have some junk in it. You want to delete whatever junk is in it and then paste in your own affiliate link, which in this case is the same link that was in it before. And then you will click apply right there. Then go to the upper right hand corner where there should be a blue button that says share, and you will click this button, click down here, and make sure that it is set to anyone with the link should be able to view this page. Okay, so make sure you click that before you do anything else. Anyone with the link. And then you will want to click this button which says copy link right there. Okay, you will copy the link, and once again I like to save it in a notepad somewhere, whatever makes sense. Boom. And then after you finish that, you will just click done. Okay, done. Voila. So now we can exit out of this page, and we go on to our next step, which is we need to register for last.fm. Okay, so now in order to register for it, I could log out just to show you all. In order to register for last.fm, you will click this button which says join right up here, join. Okay, nobody send me an email. I don't respond to any emails. I don't respond to any begging for money. I don't respond to any messages whatsoever. I have better things to do in my free time. And then you'll just log in, and here we are. We're in Last.fm. So congratulations, you've made it to step number 15, and just letting you know, right now you're on track to being part of the 1%. Only less than 1% of people take action on any of these videos. I've measured it, and that's a true number. So now the next step is we're going to find a musician we like, and we're going to open up their followers and see a few profiles of their followers, and then we're going to be sending them some messages. So let's look up, I don't know, Blackpink, great K-pop group. And what we are interested in seeing is we want to find their followers. So they have a lot of listeners, 270,000. But let's find, where can we find their fans? Okay, here we go. So this is the section we're interested in, is we want to see their listeners. And in particular, we want to look at view all listeners right here, because we want to find some of their people and start messaging them. And here we have 270,000 people that we could message. Let's message this person, maybe this person, maybe this girl, and this girl. Okay, so we opened up some people here, and what we're interested in now is we're interested in finding folks that we could message. So notice how this person's profile has a message icon right over there, but this person's profile has nothing. Okay. Now, there's a few ways you can post messages. I'm going to show you the first by actually sending a message. So the main way you'll send messages and get your links out is you'll go to the mail icon right there. And you will click this mail icon, and up will pop a message box where you can send this person a message. So for our message, we'll just look in the templates and we'll see what it says to do. So once again, if we pop back to johncrestani.com/resource, which is the resource file, under the Last.fm area, we will see the messages, the message templates we can send out. And the note says just say hey as the subject line. So here we are, and we'll just say hey. And then we will say, hey, figured you might find this useful. Let's use this one instead. So all of these messages are good ones you can send out. You can mix things up. But I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to send it as a message. Hey, fellow fan of musician, thought this link might help you out. So what I'll do is I'll put up Blackpink, because she was a fan of Blackpink. Thought you might find this helpful, link. So what we want to do is we want to share our link with her. So I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to delete this, paste in my link here. Then I'm just going to copy this whole message. Okay, so then we just go down here and we click send message, and voila, we sent. We just sent a message. Okay? And that's easy as pie. And we can do this over and over and over again and get our links out there very fast, very rapidly, like a bomb. Boom. And this doesn't take very long, does it? It doesn't take very long. Now that I'm rolling and I've set up the process, I could probably send 100 messages in the span of an hour. Okay, so really, what I recommend, and just I can walk you through this process. What will happen is somebody will see a link like this. This person will see the message. They will click on the link, and it will take them to this page right here. Okay. If they are interested in earning money online, this will appeal to them. And they'll go down and click on your affiliate link because you had replaced this link with your own link. They'll click on the link and then they'll go over to the page where they can register for the training. When they watch the whole training, if they're still interested in the program, they will purchase the program and you will make a cool $500. Okay. Now the math on this, but not everybody buys. In fact, let me walk you through the math here. Now, I recommend you send 25 messages a day for 5 days, for a week. Test out this method for a week. That's 125 messages a week. But as I said before, not everybody buys. Only 1% of folks end up buying. So that equals one sale. And you make $500 a sale. That means 1 times 500 equals $500 income for the week. How much time does it take, though? Well, as we saw, we could probably send out 100 messages in about an hour. So it takes roughly 12 minutes per day to do this work, or 1 hour per week. Now, a few things in this process to take note of, some pro tips, is I would suggest that you test different messages out. Different messages will get different response rates from people. So if you're good, you'll start messaging and you'll test out these different links, and you can even track your different links by using an example of how the tracking works. Okay. There's more advanced stuff, but if you want